What's good YouTube, JD here, back with yet another review for you guys. And these are not just any shoes, these might just be one of my favorite drops this year. I will be reviewing the Nike Dunk High Michigan. What's good fam, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I will be breaking down this sneaker. We'll get into the quality of the leather compared to previous Dunk Highs as well as recent Dunks. We'll get into sizing, I'll cover resale predictions, and as always I will be giving you guys that on-feet look, so make sure you stick around until the end of the video. So finally these arrived in the mail. I was very happy to get these. I actually got them late because I took L's on every single raffle. I really wanted this pair for personal, and a big shout out to Ron, my homie out there in London. He actually hit on the raffle and managed to cop it in my size, and he gave me this pair for retail because that's what friends do. Check your group chats right now, look at your Finsta page, ask yourself how many of your friends would sell you a pair of high heat sneakers for retail. Shout out to Ron once again. So the Nike Dunk High Michigan, I've been actually wanting this colorway since last year when the off-white Dunks dropped. That Michigan colorway, I was very much intrigued by the colorway. I didn't particularly like those shoes though, especially with those orange laces on top. I just thought there was way too much going on there. But I was very happy to see that they dropped the high top version of this. You guys know on this channel, we love Nike Dunk Highs a lot more than Nike Dunk Lows. So when I heard news that these were dropping in the high top, absolutely had to cop these. In the early part of this year, Nike has been dropping a lot of Nike Dunk Low colorways, but we finally got a high top version with the release of this pair that you see back here, the Nike Dunk High Spartan Greens. And then pretty much a week later, we had the Michigan pair drop. So I'm pretty happy that Nike is starting to show a bit more love towards the Dunk Highs. If you guys want to see my current collection of Dunk Highs, I did showcase them in the review of the Spartan Greens. I will leave a link to that up here. I guess September was Michigan month. We got basically the colorways of both of the Michigan universities. This one is the University of Michigan. The Spartan Greens belongs to Michigan State. I don't know why Nike decided to drop two Michigan colorways basically a week from each other, but I'm glad they did because both of these colorways are super hard. Let's get into the quality of the sneaker. The leather on this is pretty decent. I would compare this to some of the leather we've seen on the Dunk Lows this year, like the Syracuse pair, but I actually think the leather is slightly better on the Spartan Green pairs. You can see here on the mud guard around the toe, the leather is much more tumble, and just when touching it, it feels a lot more smooth than the Michigan pair. Of course, if we're comparing it to previous Dunks, like these are the Villanovas, for example, the quality definitely doesn't compare there at all. You can see how tumbled that Villanova pair is compared to the Michigans. But I'm not mad at the leather. I would say compared to some of the Jordan 1s we've seen drop this year, this leather is definitely better. When looking at the shape compared to older Dunks, the one major difference I noticed are that these sneakers are slightly lower when it comes to height compared to the older pairs. I was very happy to see that along with these navy blue Michigan laces, you also get a pair of gold laces as well as white laces, and I will put them on right now just to see what they look like. So there you go, I threw the laces on. We got these gold laces on the right pair, the white ones on the left, and I don't know about you, but these white laces in particular, these look super fire. I feel like they almost belong. They should have been like the default laces for these. I can't really decide which one's better though, the navy laces or the white pairs. Let me know down in the comments which one out of these three lace options is your favorite. For now, I gotta say it's a tie between the white and the navy. So this sneaker, even though it's pretty loud, I actually don't think it's very difficult to style because surprisingly, this colorway contrasts so well with green pants, like olive colored pants in my opinion. Also dark brown pants would look pretty good with this colorway. So here I'm just rocking them with some cargos. So these are Dickies cargos in an olive colorway, and I just think they look super hard with these pants. And on the top, I'm just wearing a navy blue sweater from ASOS. If you were looking for more style inspiration, definitely hit me up on Instagram. The handle is right here. It is at JDKick6. That's usually where I drop all my fit pics. Let's get into sizing. So if you have never worn a pair of Nike Dunk Highs before, these fit absolutely true to size for me. So it is the same size as your Nike Dunk Lows, also the same size as Jordan 1s. Let's get into resale. So after the release of these sneakers, the prices on these came down quite a bit. We're currently looking at the low 200s to mid 200s in most of the sizes. I personally think that the hype on dunk highs haven't really begun yet. We're still kind of in that dunk low hype. What kind of needs to happen is that some high profile celebrities need to start wearing these. Travis should probably wear them. Then we'll see the hype start to build a little bit. I definitely think these are underpriced right now. However, I wouldn't go out and buy like 20 pairs to invest in. There's definitely several better sneakers to do that with. I would personally much rather invest in that Spartan green pair, which is a much more wearable colorway than this one. But if you were looking to resell, I would probably hold it maybe until Christmas at least, and then we might see the prices start to come up a little bit. If you missed out on this release and you wanted to cop, definitely the prices right now are pretty low. I don't see them going much lower. I think we've kind of hit a ceiling there. I will leave an affiliate StockX link down in the description for you to cop. Final thoughts, are these a cop or a drop? Now, I know this colorway is not for everyone. It is a pretty loud shoe, but I think with the right outfit, these definitely bang. It's a colorway that I think looks pretty good, especially in the fall time. And these are definitely going straight to feet. So for me, these are 100% a cop. Let me know down in the comments, what do you guys think of the Nike Dunk High Michigan? How does it compare with the Spartan Greens? If you had to pick one or the other, which one would you? And thank you guys as always for messing with the channel and watching this video. Special shout out to my fans out there in Brazil. I surprisingly have quite a few of you guys out there in Brazil. So obrigado to you guys. The on-feed portion of the video dropping right now. Until next time, guys, peace.
Take with the beat and he snapping, huh?